Hi again, welcome to Budgets with Grace, where I give you a glimpse of my life through the lens of my budget. My name's Grace. If you're subscribed, welcome back. If you're not, I hope you enjoy. Today I'm going to be budgeting my business income. So if you don't know, I use the Profit First method. Nick True outlines it really well. I've done this once before, so I'm going to dive in. If you want to learn more about it, I recommend watching Nick True's video. So I'm going to take my full income, which is $32,500, and I'm going to multiply it by 2%. I hope to increase my profit to maybe 4 or 5% next quarter, but there's so much up in the air with my business, I'm just going to do 2% for Q4. And again, for taxes, for my owner's compensation, this is my salary, and if the math is right, the OPEX, or my operation expenses, is going to equal this remaining amount. Let's see, 8%, and perfect. Okay, let's double check really quick. Yep, November is 0, and the first thing I'm going to do is divide my profit in half. Half of it will go to distributions, which I'll cash out at the end of the year. Half of it is going to go to reserve. The seat is meant to be cushion, so this is kind of the emergency fund of my business, or if I maybe need a larger expense, this would be the account to pull from eventually when it's a little more beefed up. Taxes are easy. Those go straight into estimated taxes, which I should pay on my next transfer Tuesday. And I talked about this last time. I decided to not take any salary for the month of October because of my employment situation. So I'm going to zero this out still, but I'm going to go to November and add it to my comp there. So Grace. Awesome. I think I'll also, I think I didn't do it in October because I didn't want to confuse myself, but this should have a goal. And should I do target balance? No, I'm going to do monthly savings builder. I like how monthly savings builder gives you the bar. Spending goals don't do that. Just like a side note. And I'm going to zero this out and review what I have coming up for expenses. Close some of these so you can get a better view. It looks like my immediate obligations are taken care of. My true expenses are taken care of in the way I want them to be. And I'm going to call it good for October. And in November, I'll go ahead and fund my immediate obligations and these sinking funds. I'm not going to worry about anything that is, the goal is less than $10. And let's see, maybe it would be good to have a little cushion in fees in case something comes up. I'll do 10. And I think I'll go ahead and put in some supplies, like I might need to buy some paint. I buy art supplies through my business account so that I can use it as, oh my gosh, what is the word? A deduction on my taxes, because I do make income from my art. And let's see. I wonder if because I'm funded through November and I know I'll have another income, I think I'll go ahead. Can I divide by 2 in here? Put it into profit? No, let's not do it that way. I'll put this into profit. Oh, I'm also going to go back to October really quick. So let's put this into there, divide by 2, distribution, and reserve. Cool. So I wonder if I look at my reports, it shows me my net gain, but I wish it would show what category I budgeted that for. Maybe if I look at this. So I'm going to look at my total income, and dang it, it doesn't show me how much I budgeted for it. Oh well, maybe I'll figure it out at some point. I wanted to know, since I was able to redistribute that money I had set aside for OPEX into profit, I wonder if that can be bumped up sooner rather than later. Like, it would be cool if my business had higher than 2% profit. But maybe that's just where I'm at right now. It's nice that my business pays for my internet services and my Adobe, which I use to make these videos, and as well as work on my artwork and the freelancing, obviously. I'm a little bummed that I have to pay for Microsoft. It's not my favorite program to work in as a designer. And it's super nice that Small Orange, I just started the annual subscription. So I just really like having the annual subscriptions where I'm just saving up like $6 to $7 a month in order to meet that goal. It feels like I have more of a cushion in my account throughout the year as these build, and then there's just one larger deduction, and they come not all at the same month, so it just feels secure to me, safe. And yeah, I'm over halfway to my goal for paying myself for the month of November, which I should meet in my next paycheck, and then I'll have one more paycheck in October that will hopefully put me on the right track to pay myself in December. And also kind of hoping that the contract I'm on will extend, and maybe instead of taking this as my salary, I will just put it into my profit and divide it between distribution and reserve. But like I said, a lot is up in the air with my business, so we'll see what comes to pass. Thank you so much for watching. I'm super excited by all the people that I'm discovering and commenting with, and if you enjoyed watching, you can like, comment, subscribe, all the things, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!